Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I am so happy to be back with this little video for you guys. And I also got a new background. I hope you love it as much as I do. So this is the look we're going to be doing today. It's very simple, very glowy, but it's been my go-to for daytime events and birthday parties and whatever I have to do during the day if I just want to look a little put together. So jumping right into it, we're going to start with my Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. It's my favorite primer. You all know that. I put it all over my face, especially on my T-zone, so it holds up pretty well throughout the day. This is my new obsession. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector, and mine is in the shade number 4. Make sure you shake it before you apply it. They don't have a huge shade range, but they are very flexible in a way, so if you find yourself a shade, I highly recommend this. It's just something like really lightweight. Lighter weight than a foundation, but a little bit more coverage than like a BB cream or a CC cream. So I really have been using this on my daily basis non-stop. Next, I'm going to do a little contouring using my Milk Makeup a matte bronzer, and this is in the shade Baked. So I'm going to do the usual spots just to, like, you know, set the base for my contouring. I'm not going to go too crazy. It's very subtle. You can go a little crazier if you want to, but I just want a little, you know, a little color on my face. Next, I'm gonna go with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cover up my dark circles and also to brighten up the center of my face. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my chin, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. And also I'm going to cut my contour, which just means I'm gonna sharpen up my contour a little bit. So I'm gonna clean up underneath, and just adds a little bit more coverage. I promise it looks like a lot, but I only dipped that little, you know, applicator once inside the tube, and that covered my whole entire face. Now I'm going to set my face using my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I'm going to dip my beauty blender and set everywhere I applied concealer. And then I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face even further using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which just smells so good. It doesn't look muddy. Even if I'm not tan myself, I can still go ham on this bronzer and it still looks very nice and glowy and just not muddy whatsoever. I'm also contouring my nose a little bit, and then I'm going to take the same bronzer. I'm going to first get rid of the, you know, creases on my eyelids from the, you know, little concealer that I had on, and I'm going to apply that bronzer with a fluffy brush just to kind of contour my eyes, just to give a little depth on my eyes. I'm gonna go with the Wonder Beauty Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow in Champagne. This is the easiest eyeshadow ever. I love the formula, very long lasting, doesn't crease on me. I apply with the applicator and then I go over with a brush just to blend it all out. And then I go back with that fluffy brush and just kind of blend it all together. Make sure there's no harsh lines or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes, give it a good curl. And then I'm going to apply my absolute favorite mascara at the moment, which is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It is so good. You can apply a million coats and it doesn't look bad. I love it. So here I'm taking an eye pencil and I'm tightlining my eye, just my upper I hate doing this, but it adds a lot of, you know, depth to the eyes and just makes your lashes look even fuller. So I hate doing it, but I love the effect afterwards. And then I'm going to highlight my face pretty heavily. I want it to be super glowy on this day, so I'm just highlighting the high points on my face. And I'm going to take my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm going to apply on my beauty blender first and then pat that onto my skin. And then I'm going to spritz all over my face afterwards to be very glowy. After that it's all set on my skin, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Benefit Cosmetics Gold Rush Blush, which adds even more of a luminosity on my cheekbones. It's very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes using that same highlighter as well. And I'm going to line my lips first using the MYOB Cosmetics Lip Liner in Ballet, which is the perfect nude for me. I love that shade. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And the look is complete. So this is very simple. I can achieve this within 20 minutes if the kids let me. But it's very effective. You look very put together, like you put a lot of effort into yourself. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Leave me a comment and let me know if you love this look as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.